In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and submit your own copy of a Google assignment. So I'm going to find an example. So my All About Me activity is through Google. So I'm going to click it. And it'll look a little bit different than a regular assignment on Schoology. So it will have the description, what you are to do on the assignment. Then you're going to go over to My Document. So this is your own copy of something the teacher has created that they want you to edit. So it should have your name and then the Google Doc or slide or other assignment that they want you to edit. So you can click edit here and it'll open a new tab, so it's full screen and it's in Google, and you can type on it. So right here I already put my name, but it should say type here or something that shows you that you need to edit that. So I'm going to type my name here, and after I'm finished with the whole assignment, I can go back to this tab. This is important because it opens a new tab. Go back here and all of my edits will be in here. Or you can stay in this screen and edit the slide. So I'll go to a new slide that I haven't done. So it says type here. I'm going to write my answer. And then once I'm done with all of it, it's going to save and I can just click submit assignment. And the teacher will have your own copy of that assignment.